The Ministry of Education in UAE gave a standardized test on 15-year-olds in the Middle East. The test was considered an alarming gender gap. On the program for international student assessment, the girls scored higher than the boys. 15-year-olds in 75 countries were tested in reading, economics, science, and math. The girls tested higher in all Middle Eastern countries. The test was given in Turkey, Jordan, Israel, Qatar, UAE, and Tunisia. Both groups scored under the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development's average. The girls lagged 33 points and the boys lagged 91 points. Compared to 2006, there has been a huge improvement and the girls are continuing to strive to be better.